At Ceox, we've seen an increasing appetite from public sector organisations to utilise intelligent automation to deliver critical public services. The real value comes when you combine RPA and AI into intelligent automation, where a workflow can be configured with the computer also making decisions based on what it has learned to deliver efficiencies and automate mundane tasks. AI and RPA technology has been around for many years, but it hasn't been widely adopted in public sector. However, Microsoft's latest offerings are making intelligent automation increasingly accessible and affordable, with the benefit that staff can adopt due to its familiar user interface. Sitting alongside Office 365 and Dynamics 365, Microsoft's Power Platform can deliver intelligent automation solutions without the need for significant investment in new technologies. Power Platform is a suite of technologies which includes Power Automate to deliver RPA functionality. AI Builder provides several pre-built and customizable artificial intelligence models, including form processing, object detection in images, and prediction models. At Ceox, we've just finished a project for a government department which used Microsoft's Power Platform to categorise information. The department receives large volumes of incoming data sent by customers in a free text format. During the pandemic, they received a year's worth of inquiries in just 6 months. The department needed to categorise this data, extracting specific information before processing. The information can come in several formats, including website submissions, emails, and letters. This scenario will be familiar to many public sector organisations who can receive data for many different reasons and then need to capture that data for a range of functions. On the project, we used Power Automate for RPA and AI Builder for artificial intelligence. Together, they enabled an unattended way of handling submissions. The two core AI Builder models we used were entity extraction and category classification. Entity extraction involves training the model to recognize specific data within a piece of text. In this instance, we trained the model to look for the recipient name, sender name, and sender's contact details, amongst others. Category classification was used to understand the contents of the submission and put it into a corresponding category so that it can be processed by the relevant department. The model provides a suggested category as well as a confidence rating. If the confidence rating is low, then the automation redirects it to a person for them to decide on how to categorize it. There are a number of valuable lessons learned from developing the solution. Firstly, we established that when training the category classification, which is how we'd like it to behave, actually required a lot less examples than we expected. For example, to gain a good confidence rating in the decision, only 100 submissions were required to train each category of the model. However, the plan is to train the model again once 3 months' worth of data have been collected. Secondly, training only required the relevant piece of information. For instance, someone might indicate in their first paragraph which category their submission should ultimately end up in. So this is the text that was used in the training. This resulted in a higher confidence rating than if we'd used the whole submission for training. The big drive for this project was to save the hours spent reading submissions and categorising them. The automated processing of thousands of submissions saves hours of time for individuals who had previously had to read the submissions, rekey the sender details, and then assign to a relevant department. As the number of submissions increases, the value of intelligent automation also increases, as there is no extra cost for processing the additional submissions. For public sector organisations already invested in Microsoft, the Power Platform option for intelligent automation offers considerable benefits. Backed by Microsoft's R&D and forward-looking plans, we think it is here to stay. Organisations invested in Office 365 will find it easy to add on Power Platform services, with users finding the user experience familiar. And the ready-to-use technology doesn't require a large upfront investment and integrates into their existing technology stack. Plus, it's secure. Whilst this particular automation solution was built for one organisation, categorising information for one purpose, the underlying technology can be easily built upon and extended for a range of other scenarios. Intelligent automation has come of age and can really make organisations more productive, removing mundane tasks and freeing teams up to concentrate on more valuable activities.